Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the Rocket Money app to save money. If you're like me, managing money can be tricky, but the Rocket Money app has features that can help you save more, like their tracking subscription feature. I'll walk you through it. Rocket Money identifies your subscriptions to help you stop paying for things you no longer need to be paying for. Under the Recurring tab, there are two options, Upcoming and All. The Upcoming view, which is the default view, displays your upcoming bills in a calendar at the top of the page. The All view shows your subscriptions and bills sorted out alphabetically. You can access inactive subscriptions by tapping View Inactive at the bottom of the page. You can click on the calendar at the top of the app to view your payments for the month. To cancel your subscription, click on the three dots beside the subscription you want to cancel and click Cancel for me. This way, you can opt out of any subscriptions you no longer want. I hope you're able to get your money-saving needs from this app. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like, and see you next time.